We move on to new models from light and medium armored combat vehicles of various classes. As with the French Army's combat reconnaissance vehicle, the armament is again carried out through the new EBRC Jaguar product. The BRM is built from the Scorpion program, using essential components and new technologies to enhance all key characteristics. The EBRC Jaguar was actually designed to replace some of the old reconnaissance vehicles and fire support that is still currently in use by the French Armed Forces. In particular, the AMX-10RC, ERC-90 Sag-I, and VAB-HOT, these vehicles will gradually replace the EBRC Jaguar, as they are outdated in the Army. Regarding armored combat vehicles, EBRC Jaguar stands for Engen Blind de Reconnaissance et de Combat, otherwise known as reconnaissance and combat armored vehicles, with a six-wheeled chassis designed to be able to perform various missions, such as reconnaissance, patrols and raids in certain areas to look for certain objects. To improve the battle, the Jaguar vehicle is equipped with a 40mm autocannon main armament. This weapon can fire up to 200 bullets per minute and is capable of hitting targets up to a distance of 3 kilometers by using a telescopic shot 40 by 225 millimeters and equipped with a rotating breech to receive it. The design of the gun mount on the EBRC Jaguar can shoot at an altitude angle of up to 45 degrees. Shooters can make rapid attacks against various enemy targets, both in urban environments and in other places. As a complement to the cannon, this vehicle is also equipped with Akron MP missiles, which serve to hit armored vehicles and closely guarded targets at a distance of up to 5 kilometers. Then, the remote-controlled T-3 Hornet S turret, also equipped with a 7.62mm machine gun, provides additional defense against nearby targets. All weapons of the combat vehicle, which the EBRC Jaguar possesses, are controlled by a single digital fire control system, which includes a panoramic view of the commander and a forward-facing view of the gunner. One of the strengths of the Jaguar combat vehicle, we can say, lies in both devices, because it has an extensive sensor system and is equipped with a Passau electro-optical system, so that it can conduct long-distance observation and targeting day and night. To monitor the results of the shooting, the Metrovib Pilar 5 tracking device is used, which can contribute to a 360-degree field of view and can detect threats in real time, such as shots and missiles. All devices owned on the vehicle, connected to a ballistic computer, have a number of functions and according to the needs, and also provide their own weather station. This is an advanced system on Jaguar's EBRC, which is integrated into Scorpion as part of the Information Network 6 program, which can share data in real time between vehicles, and of course this will improve interoperability on the battlefield. On the other hand, the EBRC Jaguar weighs 22 tons and 25 tons for combat equipment. Meanwhile, in terms of mobility, this combat vehicle is supported by a Volvo D11 engine with 500 horsepower and is able to move at speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour and can travel a distance of up to 800 kilometers, which is equipped with a fuel tank with a capacity of 500 liters. The Jaguar EBRC, with a 500 horsepower diesel engine, is located at the rear of the hull. An automatic transmission with torque distribution across the wheels is used. The Hydrip pneumatic suspension, with the ability to control ground clearance, as well as the main components of the power plant and chassis, are borrowed from commercial trucks. This provides excellent maneuverability and flexibility for the 6x6 configuration in a variety of terrains. Moreover, it has off-road ability, which includes the ability to climb obstacles up to 50 centimeters and can wade through waters as deep as 1.2 meters. The force that operates the EBRC Jaguar consists of 3 people: the driver, the commander, and the gunner. The driver, located in the control compartment or in the front center of the hull, its place above is covered with a small steering compartment with a wide glass and good visibility. Meanwhile, the commander and gunner operator are inside the battle compartment and enter it through the turret hole or inside the turret. Each of them having a one-piece hatch cover with a daytime periscope and an automatic workstation with remote control. Almost all are designed for them. Protection for the troops in the vehicle, the most important thing in every operation. The Jaguar EBRC has an armored class, according to Standard 4569 Level 4, which can protect against 14.5 mm armor-piercing munitions, artillery shrapnel, and mines. It is also equipped with protection against chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear threats. Although its protection can be increased with extra modular armor. However, the protection complex developed includes not only armor but also additional means. Among them, there are sensors to detect missile launches and 14 smoke grenade launchers, which function to counter guided weapons and air jamming stations, and against radio-controlled explosive devices. In terms of development, the Jaguar EBRC project was entrusted to a consortium consisting of Nexter Systems, now part of KNDS, Renault Trucks Defense, and Thales. The presence of the EBRC Jaguar makes significant advances in military technology and will answer future challenges for the French armed forces. As a combat reconnaissance vehicle, with its design that has passed tests, including being able to offer enhanced mobility, protection, and combat capabilities, surely this will be satisfactory for the customer, as it has shown its conformity with the technical requirements and the intended operating conditions. According to the initial assignment, the price of the EBRC Jaguar car should not exceed €1 million. However, in this case, customers also want to reduce the cost of the Scorpion program as a whole,